Trying to catch up Booger, but he's fast. He's fast. There's another one. There's more. There's definitely more today. There's more out today. Tell you, these guys are hard to see. These little guys are camouflaged pretty good, pretty well. All right, so now we're coming up on. Now we're coming up on how it looks. So, what do you guys think? Is it going to be still dry? Got to give the beavers credit. Look what they did. I mean, all I can do, tip my hat, because they got to work pretty quickly. And it looks like nothing has changed, but it looks like I'm going back to work.